Firearm shipment.
Yeah, they're accused of packing a truck full of guns and ammunition and shipping the truck from the Port of Palm Beach to Haiti. New tonight at 6. Channel 9's Jeff Deal live in Orlando. And Jeff, this involved pretty much a large amount of guns.
It sure did. According to court records, more than 150 weapons involved. A lot of them were these double-barrel pump shotguns that you see advertised right on the front of the business, along with some assault rifles and ammunition. Worrying seizure of weapons from the USA. That was the headline by online news outlet Haiti Libre in 2016, after customs officials in Haiti found more than 150 weapons, ammunition, tactical vests, and uniforms hidden in a truck shipped from Florida. Now, 2 years later, court documents are revealing Junior Joseph, the owner of this Orlando gun store, and his brother are believed to have been behind it.
Well, it surprises me because Junior is a Marine also, and I didn't know that he was involved in anything like that.
Rodney Shepard owns a gym nearby the shop. The Global Dynasty Corps website lists Junior Joseph as a lead trainer here. It touts his military service and his degree in criminal justice. But he and his brother Jimmy Joseph are accused of conspiring to illegally ship the weapons to Haiti out of Port of Palm Beach, hidden inside an old Mitsubishi cargo truck. I'm Jeff, this is Carrie. We're with Channel 9. We're wanting to ask about the firearms. That was the response at Jimmy's home. No one answered at the Apopka home of Junior Joseph. Records indicate they used the WhatsApp to message others in Haiti, including a politician, about the shipment. After it was discovered, they received a voice message from someone in Haiti saying, "This thing is making a lot of noise, baby. Anyway, don't include yourself in this because there's jail time involved, okay?" And records indicate this kind of activity could be detrimental to our foreign policy or our national security. People who work nearby here told us they saw a large law enforcement presence right out in front of this business a few weeks ago, and they said it didn't appear they were here to buy any gear. Reporting live in Orlando, Jeff Deal, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.